What's up guys, Alex here, and today's a little bit different. It's a little vloggy almost because today we're gonna go pick up the brand new iPhone 11 Pro. It's release day. I haven't got a new phone in 3 years, so I wanna take you with me on this journey. I've got the whole setup here ready to go for when I get back. It's gonna be good. We'll do a proper unboxing, but I wanted to take you with me to go pick it up. Let's go get it. Alright, so apparently I made a bit of a mistake. It doesn't open till 10 it looks like, so that's a bummer because it's 9:34. So I'm gonna go pick up some coffee, maybe go be a little bit basic, get something from Starbucks, and then I'll head back in like 20 minutes. It'll be good, we'll wait. Alright, so the coffee's been acquired, should be good to go. Let's get back to the UPS store and see if they're open and pick up the new phone to unbox it. Alright, so there was a bit of a line, but I got the package. I hope it's in here. I'm really excited to open this. The worst part of being a tech YouTuber is getting a package and waiting until you have a video camera setting up to open it. So let's reduce that time as much as possible and get right back to open this. What are you doing in my room? Wanna go help me unbox the phone? Wanna help me unbox the phone, Jack? All right, let's go do it. What's up guys, Alex here, and we got it. We finally returned home with the iPhone 11 Pro 256GB edition. I've been waiting a long time for this, so let's not wait any longer. This is the first new phone I've had in 3 years, so let's get right to the unboxing. So, first of all, got the pull tab. I do like that they this year went with the colored boxes on it again. Kind of cool. It's got a raised little space here on the front, but that's not the exciting part. Let's get right to it. There it is. All right. Now, this is actually not just the first time I've ever opened it, but even held the phone. And dang, this looks good. I'll give you a little side shot here. Yeah, definitely the camera bump on the back is noticeable, but it does not look bad. All right, we gotta do the screen pull real quick. Didn't even know if you could hear that one, it was so quiet. There we go, it's starting up. Let's see what else we've got in the box here. So we've also got the whole design by Apple in California. This time around, we've got the 18 watt, I believe it is the 18 watt charger here. It is USB-C to Lightning, so it's kind of disappointing because you knew they could have done USB-C to USB-C, especially since my iPad Pro is that, would have been nice, but it is what it is. Also, got in here some Lightning headphones, pretty standard stuff, and then you have your USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's just about it. I mean, there's not a lot more you've got in this box, but I just wanted to do something really quick. I was super excited to get this. Of course, there's gonna be a review on it very soon. And do not worry, I have a screen protector and a case. I'm not gonna break this thing, but that's it. That's the unboxing experience for the iPhone 11 Pro. I know there's tons of them out there, but I thought I'd try to do something fun, give you a little bit behind the scenes on how we pick it up and get the device. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and then I will give you guys all my thoughts and impressions as I get them. Talk to you soon. Peace!